Hello, what's up? It's Myla, how are you? Today I will rearrange my area in kitchen with my cabinet for plants. So I thought it's gonna be kind of short video, very chatless. But I hope you're gonna like it and you're gonna enjoy the result like me. Yeah, let's do this.
Okay, so this is how my kitchen look now, and I'm not happy, I'm not inspired, it's very chaotic. I still don't know how to find a place for those plants, how to organize them. For sure, I'm gonna remove one of the cabinets and I will keep only one, and I don't know exactly which side I will do that. Then maybe I can bring some lights from the top for the bigger plants, and maybe I will do some more hangers. I would like to put also something on the window, like decoration maybe. I have some ceramic houses where I can put candles inside, so I think that's gonna be a good idea so far. So this is gonna be project for sure. Then I hope you're gonna enjoy it with me, and I will wait for your comments down below the video.
Okay, so far I am extremely happy. I managed to actually rearrange my window with some ceramic and books and candles. It looks super cozy. I really like it. And then we have my area. It's finished. It's much more bushy and more complex, I think. So much cozier now. Here I have unfortunately this kind of lamp. I can change colors for pink. It's also super nice. And even if I remove the light, it's very cozy. Starter looks very good, like I wanted. The weather is super depressing today, but I think I'm so happy I put this light here because I can absolutely see my plants start to thrive. I got a new leaf with my anthurium and my Åkerbärg is growing crazy, and I can see even small blooming here. Yeah, I don't know. I think so. She's going crazy actually with this light and here in the window. So I'm super excited. I can see a couple of them. So maybe I'm gonna be lucky soon. Oh, this is even bigger. Oh my God, that's so cool. It's my first blooming with my Hoya. I'm very excited. Until now, I only have a bloom in my alocasias, so can be very exciting. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I will be very happy if you can just write in the comment if you like this kind of videos and maybe what you expect me to film more. I'm really thinking about content this year and I would like to make some plan, but of course I would like to hear from you what you think. And I hope you're gonna have a great week and see you next time. Ciao!